Here's the lookout point, and as you can see, it is absolutely stunning view up here. North Carolina mountains, and I don't know if the camera's going to really pick that hill up, but it is, I don't know, several hundred feet down, maybe 500 feet down, all the way to the very base of the ravine. And you know, I parked way out in the distance over there and climbed these mountains here and went all the way down, way out there. And as a treat, you get to come all the way back up. But the cool thing is it is a 5-mile asphalt road that is closed to everybody except walkers and cyclists. And yeah, that's where I am. I got about a mile and a half left, so just thought I'd share that. Pretty neat. Assuming this road's not needed anymore since we've got a interstate highway 40 going on the other side of that to get you through here. Anyways, very nice day.